We're here, folks, and we're surrounded by trees, which means we're going to get eaten alive by mosquitoes. And guess who forgot the bug spray? Of all the things we could have forgotten, the only thing we forgot was the bug spray. Folks, if you're going camping in a provincial park or a state park, bring your bug spray, because guess what? This was $13. Nice, eh? Goodness Gracie.
That bug's got
Look
ya.
at, oh, now, but turn her around. She's just covered in mosquito bites and welts and...
Poor creature.
Oh, you poor baby.
You,
Frankie's okay.
your Benadryl will kick in, you go to sleep. So.
Yeah. You can take them out of the city, folks. Not that we live in the city. But they will find their creature comforts. I'm including you in that party. She's a big old snapper, and I think she's laying eggs. So we'll leave her alone. I can't stand here. I'm getting eaten alive. Oh, God. Woof. Woof. Black flies.
Hiding from the bugs. It's a wonder she doesn't have the... Oh, she does have the air conditioning on.
Ain't no way I could even get in the water. Howie's going to do his quick change. Look at this. Man gets stark naked on a public beach. Stark naked under that towel. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how does that. I fit in the shower. Isn't that awesome? Of the coach. Anyway, I'm up and had my shower, and I'm going to have a cup of tea. Now, everybody knows this cup. It's huge, right? These little things, they're a pain in the butt because they always fall down inside the teacup. Here's a quick tip. When you have a really deep cup and you have a tea bag on a string, put it through the handle, cross over, and drop your tea bag in. This stops the tea bag from being pulled in as you fill your water. See? It just kind of tugs right there. The things you figure out when you're on the road. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead with just another quick tip of how to stop that annoying piece of paper and string getting into your tea. Take care, God bless.